Now, a unique climate change project is happening in South Bristol. 2 giant metal sculptures of bees will mark the beginning and end of a nature trail in Hartcliffe, parts of which are being welded by local children. Yeah, you heard right. It'll open at the end of next month with a big lantern parade. Alice Bouvry has been to see them getting ready.
All right, you ready?
Welding when you're 12? Kenzie makes it look easy.
When first of all I started, I felt a bit nervous. I didn't really want to do it, and I'm actually happy what I've done with.
So that's going to be like that.
He's making part of the wing for a giant metal butterfly. The bee is nearly done. It's a special way to teach a community about climate change.
It's really important because if it wasn't for like most of the animals, we wouldn't be alive. Because if it wasn't for the animals, we wouldn't have no food. We wouldn't have like no stuff like pollen from like the flowers and that, from like the bees and that.
We know, and this is a huge part of what we do at Heart and BS13, that communities like ours are going to be disproportionately affected by the climate crisis. And it's really important that people feel and know that they can play their part in doing something to mitigate the challenges that we face. And so we're working with them young.
The sculptures will be placed at either end of a 1.8-mile pollinator trail in Hartcliffe. They're being made by the group Women Teaching Fabrication.
This is a really lovely project. I'm really happy that it's going to be helping get people outside and making their own connections with nature so that they'll walk the distance and hopefully see loads of different pollinators on the way and then get to the butterfly that they've helped make.
To celebrate the opening of the nature trail, a lantern parade will be held on the 30th of September.
By creating really big versions of the pollinators, it does lots of things. It highlights which creatures we need to protect. So we're making a giant fox here, because foxes and all mammals, including humans, are really big pollinators. So as we brush along the leaves and the grasses, we spread seeds and pollen, and it just helps build the biodiversity.
Making them takes a lot of concentration.
There we go. We're doing a queen bee. It was the second lesson I did, and I thought, oh, let's do a queen bee because that's also a pollinator.
And how much fun has it been making them?
It's been very fun. A lot of fun. About, from a scale of 1 to 10, it would probably be 1,000,000.
That really is a whole lot of fun. It promises to be a special day for Hartcliffe. Alice Bouvry, BBC Points West, Bristol.
Kenzie, welding at 12. I'm so impressed. And apparently there's going to be a parade through Hartcliffe on 30th of September. So if you're